Another and another and another orca rose up and spy-hopped the rogue. Spy-hopped me. There's an orca sound. It's called jaw-clacking. The smiling clack, clack, clacked its jaws at me. Blood flew from its bean gingivitis jaws, and it didn't care. I was made. I was marked. And I did not give one flying post-apocalyptic glowing night shit. It was on. Okay, Pinkie Pie. Frame ship is magic. And for my next trick, I raised the javelin. I am going to hit your burned and turned carcass with a high-explosive anti-tank tandem warhead traveling at 300 miles per second. Gonna turn you inside out.
Gunny, no!
I disobeyed my captain. F*** you, Free Willy. Then I had another epiphany. My blood went cold. I knew. Down to my bones. Orcas are matriarchal. I hadn't just blown out one of her pod buddies' brains in Malibu. I'd killed her son. Blasted apart his echolocation melon with Keith Braun's lever action. But the pod had still dragged his lobotomized carcass out of the surf and eaten him. But she was never going to forgive me for that. Every orca off the coast of California was on the lookout for me. She'd found me. Now she was going to hunt me to ends of the earth. Jesus, I'd seen this movie. It had ended badly for the primates. Then my blood went hot. F*** you, Free Willy. No, sorry. That. Matriarchal. F*** you, Free Wilma. Your hyper-aggressive subaqueous son had used my man Raj like a terrier with a bedroom slipper. And I'd liked Raj. One more friend who'd bled out in my arms. All these thoughts occurred in exactly a heartbeat. Without thought, I slipped into a lovely PTSD world of hypervigilance and self-destructive behavior.
Gunnery Sergeant Frame, stand down!
F*** that. I calculated. I'd f***ed up. The range was too short. The missile wouldn't arm. It wouldn't track. But line of sight, 26 pounds of rocket-assisted metal would hit Miss Wilma at the speed of sound. All the king's horses and all the king's men could not wire your skull back together again.
Quartermaster! Mr. Nathan, all hands! Secure the gunny!
I leveled the javelin. Doom on you, Shamu. Nate tackled me hard on the port side, and I lost the javelin. Quartermaster Enrique hit me starboard, and I hit the deck. I struggled up as they tried to hold me down. Oh, I was going to kill both of them. Charlie jumped on top of the puppy pile and put me in a surprisingly well-executed rear naked choke. Being a girl with a dick, she was stronger than she looked.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
King Jiu-Jitsu. I rose up with all three of them hanging off me and trying to haul me down. Everyone smelled like bay rum, except me. Someone dove into my legs from behind, but didn't get it done. I stood. I struggled as I strangled. I did some damage.
Frame!
Colin stepped in and flung a gigantic right hand lead to the jaw. Jesus, cowboys hit hard. It kind of cleared my head, actually. For one heartbeat, I self-diagnosed. Framo, it's not your fault you go psycho once in a while, but this is stupid. It needs to stop immediately. Okay, tap out. I couldn't tap out. Nate was trying to brute force my right into an arm bar, and Enrique was holding onto my left for dear life while he punched me in the side of the head. Okay, say uncle. I couldn't say uncle because Charlie was choking me out. All right, go limp.
Down!
Colin gave me a second helping of his right hand, and things got dark around the edges. I started to go limp, but it was not a conscious decision. Things went all tunnel vision with the purple pinpricks around the edges as Colin hit me a third time. The last thing I saw was Captain Hans shaking his head at Captain Bobby.
Yeah. Maybe don't send